In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to sync your Instagram with your Facebook. So the process will be similar for Android and iOS users. First of all, go to your Instagram and make sure to sign into your exact account. Then go to your profile. From your profile, tap on this menu and tap on Account Center. Tap on Profiles. Tap on Add Accounts. Here we have to select Add Facebook Account. And here, if you already connected or logged into your Facebook account with the specific account, you get the specific account here. If you want to connect your different Facebook account with your Instagram, just tap on Not You, and then go ahead and select the different Facebook account, tap on Continue, and we can see the Facebook account and Instagram account are going to connect. And tapping on Continue and tap on Allow and Finish Adding. And we can see I've successfully connected my Facebook account with this Instagram account. Now just go back from here and under Connected Experiences, tap on Sharing Across Profiles. And here you can just go ahead and tap on your Facebook and we can see Share To. Share your Instagram story automatically to your Facebook. You can just turn on and off any option from here. You can also go back and you can tap on logging with accounts, and you can just go ahead and adjust the settings according to your needs. And this you can actually connect or sync our Instagram with our Facebook account. Thanks for watching.